Hey guys, it's Tani here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with CPA marketing. So CPA marketing is more like affiliate marketing, but with a little bit of twist. So I'm going to be explaining all that to you in this video, and I'm going to show you how to make money with this. I'm going to show you different platforms where you can make money with CPA marketing. So stay tuned guys. So before we get into the video, I want to welcome you. So if you're watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel guys. I'm all about entrepreneurship, how to start an online business and how to make money online. So if you are interested in that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are planning to start an online business with affiliate marketing, and if you want to know more in detail about that, then check out the first link below in the description, where I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do that. So now let's get into today's video. So now what is CPA marketing? So CPA marketing is known as cost per acquisition or cost per action. Okay, so what I mean by that is it's more like affiliate marketing, like I said. So where like in affiliate marketing, when people click on your link and when they buy the product, you get a commission. But with CPA marketing, so you get a commission when people click on your link and they take some sort of action, you get a commission for that. It's more simpler than affiliate marketing. So that's the way that I would put it. So action in the sense, it can be like people filling out forms, or maybe getting a quote, or maybe signing up for a trial, or making a purchase even. Okay, so you get commission for all that. So let's say that you got your affiliate link at the bottom, and when people click on your link, or let's say that people sign up for a free trial or something for the product that you're promoting. So when people sign up to the free trial, you're going to be getting a commission. So they don't even have to buy the product. Okay, so with affiliate marketing, people have to buy the product and only then you get a commission. But with this, when people sign up itself for the free trial, you're going to be getting a commission. Okay, or maybe even like if they fill out a form, you're going to be getting a commission for that. So everything is going to be tracked. So they're going to track each and every sale that you refer, so when people click on your link, they're going to track all that. So you're not going to be missing out on anything guys. So this is how CPA marketing works. So now let me show you some of the platforms that you can sign up to. You can start promoting any product that you want, and when people click on your link and they take some sort of action, you're going to be getting a commission. So now let me get into my browser guys. I'm going to be showing you the top 3 CPA marketing platforms that you can sign up to, and obviously there's going to be a screening process, so you have to cross all that, and then once you get selected, you can promote any product that you want and you can get a commission for that. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the first website guys, okay, maxbounty.com. So this is a very popular website for CPA marketing, and you need to have a little bit of experience in order to work here. So if you have previous experience with affiliate marketing and CPA marketing and all that, you can try it here, and they have loads of products here that you can promote, and you can make loads of money with CPA marketing. So there are people who are making a full-time income with Max Bounty, so you can give it a try. Let me just go to the affiliates page, and this is where you can sign up. So this is a really cool platform guys. Okay, so can you see all this? So you get, after you sign up, you get your dashboard and all that, your backend, where you can see like how many sales you're getting and all sorts of stuff. So everything will be tracked there, so you can go through all that in your dashboard. And also you get weekly payments, you get payments every single week, so that's really cool. And also you get bonuses, so if you bring in a lot of sales, you're going to be getting bonus as well. So that's a really cool thing that they're offering here. So it is obviously a legit platform, so you don't have to be fighting whether they're going to be paying you right on time or they're going to acknowledge your work and all that. Okay, so this is a legit platform that you can work with. So this is the first platform guys, maxbounty.com. So now let me show you the second platform where you can sign up to and you can make money. So this is the second platform guys, clickbooth.com. So this is again a popular website for CPA marketing, where people are working on this for a long time. So if you want to become an affiliate guys, you want to go here to the affiliates page, and they're given all the information about that. And also here they give weekly payments, so that's really cool guys. If you want to become an affiliate, you want to click on this one here, become an affiliate partner. So it's available all over the world. So you want to click on need an affiliate account. So need an affiliate account, you want to click on that and put in all the information here, your first name, last name, your email address. So when you're putting in all these information here, if you're like thinking of doing it seriously, guys, put in your put in your legit details. You don't want to put in an email address which you're not using at all. Just put in an email address that you're using. So create your account, your password and everything, your company's name, and in the country, you see like most of the countries are available here. Let me just scroll down. Can you see all these different countries here, guys? So even India, Indonesia, Iran, and all that is available. And like city, you put in your address, city, region, zip code, your phone number, and preferred messenger service, so Skype, Google, Telegram, or WhatsApp, whatever it is. So you want to put in all those details here and then click on continue. Okay, so and promotional info, so you just fill in all those details and finish the sign up process, guys. Okay, this is the second one. Now let's look at the third one, guys. So you can just sign up to all the 3 platforms and you can promote products from all the 3 platforms, and you're going to be making money from each of those platforms. Okay, so you don't have to just concentrate on one platform alone and promote a product. Okay, you can just sign up to all those 3, and whichever product pays a higher commission rate, you can go with all those products and you can promote them. And obviously it has to be suitable to your niche. That is when you're going to be getting like high sales rate. Okay, so this is the second platform. The third platform is called purefly.com. so I previously made a video on Purefly affiliate program, so you can just check out that video on my channel, or maybe I'll just leave the link somewhere on top. So let me just type in that for you. If you want to become an affiliate, you can just click on this menu here on top, affiliates, and you can just read through all this, read all the information. Just don't take my word for it, guys. Whatever platform is suitable for you, you go with that. Okay, so just go through all the details that they have here. They have custom tracking platforms, so that's your backend. They're going to provide you with all that, and accelerated payment option, and you're going to be getting rewards like bonuses. If you're performing well, if you're bringing in sales, they're going to be giving you bonus as well. And also they're going to give you like free training and tools. What are the things that you needed, what are the things that you need to know in order to promote all those products, in order to do good with CPA marketing. So they're going to give you all like free training and stuff, and also you're going to be getting big commissions. Okay, so that's the cool part about CPA marketing. People don't have to buy the product. Even if they take some sort of action, you're going to be getting paid for that, guys. Okay, so you're not going to be losing anything from this, and also it's like all free to sign up. It's not that you have to pay something for this. You can just do this for free, but you need a good traffic source. You need a good fan base or something so that you can promote all these products. Okay, so you can't just randomly put it all over the internet. You need to have a good traffic source so that you can promote all these products to those people, and they can buy the product. You get a commission. Okay, so that's how it works. CPA marketing is more easier, more simpler, like I said, but it has the same process as affiliate marketing. So if you want to get started with CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, if you want to build your business around that, if you want to start an online business with CPA marketing or affiliate marketing, and you want to know like how to choose a niche, how to choose a product, like how to scale your business, how to get sales, how to set up the sales funnel and all that, you can check out the first link below in the description, guys. So where I show you like how to start it from scratch and how to build a business with affiliate marketing, like CPA marketing, all works the same way. Okay, so if you want to know more in detail, just check out the first link below in the description, guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do, guys. Just go ahead right below and smash the subscribe button. Okay, and if you think that this information is going to help out any of your friends, you can just share it with them as well. And also, if you guys want me to do a video about anything, you can just leave that in the comment section, and I will try my level best to do that, guys. Okay, so thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.